Hi, my name is Alessandro Fiqueira. I've studied engineering first in Zurich and then in Lausanne. I've built my experience mainly in the aerospace and energy sectors, and now I am in charge of the Siveco team in Switzerland. Like any entity of the group, we have the full skill set to integrate the Coswin AI solutions. So that's integration, installation, support, and all the training. So choosing Siveco Switzerland is choosing the entire deployment expertise of the Coswin AI solution. A CMMS helps you improve your maintenance processes. So it could be capitalization on your data, sharing information, improving your workflows, and so on. So our objective is to help you get as much value as possible from your solution. Performance is better than just usefulness, and a partner is better than just a supplier. So contact us.